Hey everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use chart in Adobe Express. For that, you have to create a first blank page. First of all, you have to come in the Adobe Express website and just simply click on this plus icon. After that, from here, you can customize your blank page. For example, just click on that. You can uh, set a width and height and just simply create a new file. Right now, it's creating. After creating a blank page, you can just simply scroll down. From here, you can see charts and grids. Click on that. Now here you can see you have a charts template and tables and grid as well. Right now I want charts only. I will simply go in the charts option. You will get to see bar charts, line charts and pie charts as well. Donuts charts, progress bar and progress donut. So you will find lots of templates over here. For this tutorial, I will simply choose this one and just simply drag in your blank page and just resize it, and now click on this. From here, if you want to give an animation to your chart, you can just simply click on animation. From there you can give a in animation to your chart. So these are not that good. Just see in the loop. So I will not select any kind of animation for this chart. If you want to customize this chart, you can simply click on this edit button. From here you can change the chart type. For example, you can see there are lots of types in this chart. For example, I want this one. I will simply click on that chart type. From here you can change the font type. Let's change the font type. I want this one. So this is how you can change font type. If you want to change regular from bold, you can change from here. If you want to make your text more big, you can resize your text from here. Just now from here you can change the label name. For example, one. If you want to change the value, you can change as well. For example, if I want to give 400 and for him 500, I can give that. So this is how you can customize. You can manage position as well. If you want to make this chart left or center, you can do that from this button. So this is how you can use chart in Adobe Express. Thanks for watching.